What's up, everybody? Going to give you guys a quick little kickstart tutorial on this motorcycle. This is a 1982 Honda XL500R. First thing you're going to do, turn the gas on, reach in here, pull the choke. Mine's in here because we changed the carb. Normally it would be right up in this area on this motorcycle. Yours might vary. Keys on, choke's on. Get it off the kickstand. Let me rephrase that. Gas is on, choke's on. Now the key's on. You're going to find top dead center. There you go. Let it warm up for a second. It's a warm day today, so it won't need the choke for very long. You can hear it starting to miss. Alright, let's go ahead and turn the choke off. We're gonna go. Take you guys on a little ride. So let's walk through that process again. You're gonna walk up to the motorcycle, you're gonna turn the gas on. You're gonna pull the choke all the way. You're going to step on the bike, turn the key on, make sure it's in neutral, go ahead and pull in the clutch also. Find top dead center. It just means you just got to pump the kickstart lever until it comes to that real hard spot. That's going to be top dead center. Listen to that, that sounds nice. Let it come all the way back up from top dead center and kick it real hard. It should fire right up. Thank you. Guy said it had a nice bike. I agree. I like this old bike. Ready for some squeaky brakes? Yeah. Hopefully that stops after we ride for a few minutes, because that's ridiculous. Pretty day out. I gotta work at 4 o'clock. It's about 2:15 now. Thought I had time to hop on the bike and rock a quick video out for you guys. I think that kid just like wrecked himself, hurt himself. Oh, he's trying to text and ride a bicycle. I gotta be honest, if I had a phone when I was riding a bicycle, I probably would have been doing that. Hey, the squeak's getting better on the back brake already. These people go. Kid looks like he's getting his permit. Don't be this guy when you cut your grass. Alright? Just a little tip. Don't blow all your grass clippings out into the road for motorcyclists to wreck in. That guy's in town. Nobody's going to come flying through there, you know, leaned over real hard, but nonetheless, don't be that guy. This thing's so much fun. Old bike will get it. I got a big bug right in the middle of my windshield. It's awesome. Did I call it a windshield? Visor. since I don't have anything to talk about, if I just go fast, you guys will stay tuned. That was a solid bump right there. Cows! Cows! It looks like those ones like have big band-aids wrapped around them or something. It's weird. This guy is to definitely get on his side of the road. Yeah. Yeah. You gotta get on your side of the road there, pal. You're gonna cause an accident. Accident? You're gonna cause an accident. Alright, we're going to give you the hot start portion of this video. I literally just stopped on the side of the road out here. The bike's hot, I've been running around. We're going to fire it up. If it doesn't start, I'll go through the hot start procedure with the decompression lever and let you see how that works. Alright, so keys on. Turn the gas back on. For right now, we're just going to find top dead center and kick it. Hopefully it starts. If it doesn't, we'll use the decompression lever, hold it in, kick it about 15 times, and then let go, and then find top dead center and kick it again, and it should fire up. Let's see what happens here. So find top dead center. Right there. Now we're just gonna look, just caught it. Make sure that's on run. Alright, it didn't start. So, it's hot. Decompression lever is right here. We're going to pull that in, and we're going to kick this about 15 times. Okay, find top dead center. There it is there. Squeeze the clutch in. Good kick. There you go. There's your hot start procedure right there. Tow her back down. Let's go. Hope that was useful. If you ever have that problem, that's how you solve it. Hold that decompression lever in, kick it about 15 times, restart the process, find top dead center, and then kick it for all you got, and it should start. Woo. You guys see that? That was pretty cool. Thanks for joining me, guys. It's Grace Ventures. If you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe. Catch you next time. I'm out.